Leaders in another district are working on an urgent issue tonight, ensuring the safety of their students at a Greene County elementary school a day after high winds ripped the roof off of part of its gym.
Cleanup efforts continue at Camp Creek Elementary School. Jordan Moore joins us from our Greenville newsroom and gives us an inside look at the extent of the damage.
Well, Josh, Shara, good evening. It was back to school today for kids at Camp Creek after that high wind caused extensive damage to their gym's roof. Take a look at this video I shot just this afternoon. I actually had to stand on my tippy toes just to see over the plastic that was covering the gym's doorway. Plastic that's now holding water because after part of that roof blew off last night, crews tried to climb on top to secure the open area with more plastic, but with the wind continuing last night, school officials tell me it was just too dangerous for crews to be up there, so they weren't able to get everything done before that rain started.
On the roof, the winds were still gusting. They were trying to get lumber up on the roof to hold the plastic down. Greenville Light and Power come out and provided assistance to get the materials up there. Once things calm down and they get everything in the dry, then they'll pump that water out and pull that plastic up and assess the damage.
And that was Camp Creek Principal Dennis Wild, who said the most important thing is that nobody was hurt when part of that roof fell off and that debris was flying. Thankful tonight they were able to get everyone home safely. Now, for how much these repairs will cost and how long it will take to repair that gym's roof, he said they're still working on the logistics of the situation, saying it could be anywhere from a few weeks to several weeks before students are back inside that gymnasium. Reporting live in the Greenville newsroom, Jordan Moore, News Channel 11, in your corner.